future self, don't be afraid. Okay, I'm drinking some tea. Let your thoughts give hope, guidance, and upliftment to all. It's actually kind of cool. This person, you know, saw my video, they contacted me. They were like, hey, I want to buy a shirt. Actually, I gotta be honest. I looked at their Instagram profile and I was like, okay, based on their Instagram versus what I feel like I want to draw, I really feel like this person needs a shirt with a wolf on it. And I messaged them and I was like, I really want to draw a shirt with a wolf on it. Are you down? And they were like, oh my god, wolves are like my animal. And I didn't even know that. I just had this feeling that they needed a wolf in their life. I don't know what it is about like big wolfy dogs. Something in me just feels really like at home and calm when they're around. Like I could spend the whole day with one and I would pretty much never be lonely. Like all my problems would go away if I had one. I don't know why. I don't feel that way about other dogs, like terriers or greyhounds or whatever. Actually, I remember like a year ago, I took this test. I don't know, my mom sent it to me on spirit animals and I was a wolf. Woo! Oh man, that is cool. And I took it again. And I think even a third time after that, and I was still a wolf every time. And I tried to answer differently on the other ones, like on purpose, but it was like, no, you're still a wolf. So maybe that's why. Maybe I feel like a wolf inside. Anyway, on that note, if you're watching this and you're like, I don't know, I want a shirt, you know, contact me and we'll talk about it and we can make it happen for you. Like whatever it is, you know?